ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्. Before I begin today's satsang program, first of all, I would like to recognize great services for today's puja and even the last year's puja of the temple ceremony. Shri Vaje Guruji. मागच्या वर्षी तुम्ही आणि तुमचं हे शिष्यवर्ग आहे त्यांनी हा कार्यक्रम इतक्या चांगल्या प्रकारे केला की सगळ्यांचे मन and very, very good advice and suggestion will come to all. Now let us first sing Bhagavan's name. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Siya. Vision without action remains imagination, and action without vision creates division. But action guided by vision brings about transformation. And this Chinmay Vibhuti is or Chinmay Mission's Vision Center. Here, what we want to do is impart the vision of our Chinmay mission as given by Pujya Gurudev, coupled with specific training programs appropriate to the Sevaks and Sevikas of various grassroots level activities from Bal Vihar up to senior citizen program called Chinmay Manprastha Samsthan. And also there are so many brahmacharis who get training for them also how to work in the field. Then we have got various social service projects. Even those workers also need training. And so many schools and educational institutes we have, and those teachers also need training. So that vision and training brings about that efficiency and necessary transformation in that individual, and only that individual who has transformed himself or herself only can do something good for the other person. It is like that lamp which is lit, from that only other lamp can be lit. But that lamp which itself is not lit, what it can do? Nothing can be done. Now, once I have read a very beautiful ad on the billboard of Jet Airways. I am not their advertiser, but the ad was very beautiful, and which said the training gives efficiency, but the charm is of her own. Her own means that flight attendants are there, or workers are there, same training may be given to everybody, and that will give efficiency. That all of them may be able to work exactly, the same way. But every person has got his own or her own charm. And if that vision is there, training is there, and also charm is there, then there is joy. That person who works and serves, that person experiences great joy. And also, if the other person, the service rendered to whichever person, even that person feels very happy. Wherever you go, and if you are received with a smile, you feel so nice. And with a grumpy face only. Okay, welcome. No expression says that you are really welcoming that person. The expression shows that when are you going? Then it is of no use. So here is the vision center. Wherever our work is going on, there only the work will continue, and we'll take this vision and training here. We inaugurated the first phase earlier, and now the second phase work is going on. Now you have already seen our temple is complete in every sense. Last time we inaugurated, but there was no Kalasha Sthapana, Kumbhabhishek.